Hello and welcome back to another video Magic Cat, and today we are back with another crypto video. Happy New Year everyone. Hope you guys have a full year of success and wealth. But without further ado, we're looking at Seletti A.i, ladies and gentlemen. I've made a few videos on this, and yes, the PAMM Invest has been live. You can actually see the trade reports literally over the past days, and you can see what even transactions they have used to be able to get those yields. And you can see the past few days, it's been doing 0.9, 0.8, 0.8, 1.3, 1.6. So it's actually pretty it's kind of variable, but still averaging above 1% daily ROI. Pretty interesting stuff. And I believe once the PAMM Invest actually launched, it really skyrocketed the TVL by a lot, because once you go in the PAMM Invest, you can see that the TVL here is 78,000, and this is just with 151 users, by the way. Okay, so I think honestly there's a lot of room for growth with Seletti A.i. What I know as well, they have done a second AMA. I'll leave the link to that in the description. You have to join their Telegram channel. You can say hi, hello, speak to the admins, ask them any questions. I think honestly it's a really great team so far. I didn't watch the AMA yet, so I think I'm going to spend some time watching. I know it's around 48 minutes. They did it on Zoom, so I believe they've taken questions from the people who are watching it. It was a live AMA session. Really great stuff. So yeah, not only that I'm going to be investing in the PAMM Invest, ladies and gentlemen, which obviously if you didn't know, we're going to read a little bit about it. Okay, now this is kind of variable. So if you look at the white paper, ladies and gentlemen, we can see how much the yield to be expected, and I believe this can actually reach all the way to 4%. Now I think it's going to be somewhere, I believe it's Forex Markets, not this one. I think it has to be here in Quantitative. Okay, it doesn't really tell you, but if I remember, it can go up to 4% per day, right? But this is highly unlikely, okay? But let's quickly read the fund strategy. And then the next thing I want to do is actually, I've accumulated the past 14 roughly days, so the past 2 weeks, I've been making money from the other investment that I'm in, right? If you've seen my portfolio, I'm in the opportunistic fund. I have $1,000 here worth, so I'm making 0.7% ROI, which basically comes out to be, $7 basically, which is not bad, right? $100 per 2 weeks, that's $200 per month. Hey, that adds to your passive income, and this is the key to success, ladies and gentlemen. But today we're going to be taking another step forward, adding another investment, and happily in the PAMM Invest, because this, honestly, what a great idea to have this recent results. And remember, they left it running before they actually officially launched for 2 weeks, so you can see the results, and this gave me confidence in actually investing. Look, for example, this is for January 5th. This is today. The results are here today, and you can see all the trades that it has done. Pretty interesting stuff. You can see that, okay, this is how much they lost, how much they gained, and it comes to be a total of 0.81%. And you can see how many the trading pairs that they used, the euro to Great British pounds. They did 2 trades that lost on that, but they gained more. For example, in this XAU, which I don't really know what's that, NUSD, they did 8 trades, so that's Forex, ladies and gentlemen. And I believe you can actually also do some trading with crypto pairs. I'm not 100% sure, but let's read this fund strategy, right? And let's test out the withdrawal button and see if I can get my $100 that's waiting for me right here. That's $106 that's waiting for me to be withdrawn, ladies and gentlemen. And if just for me to confirm, I can check my MetaMask to show you guys that I only have 1,000. That's for me to invest right now. We'll check it out if it actually works. The withdrawal button, does it work? I've given them 2 weeks. It accumulated this thus far. So yeah, you know what I mean? This is another trust test, right? Is this just a magical number? Is this just some HTML, CSS magic that I'm seeing in front of me? We'll find out if it actually translates to be in my wallet, okay? But PAMM Invest, what is it about? It's basically a Forex trading bot that they have running. Now, to be fair, obviously the code is not going to be open source, right? This is proprietary technology. They're not going to give it out for people to see and check it out. You know what I mean? I can't guarantee you guys that they're actually running a bot, okay? We can only go by the variables and that we see, right? They have a CEO. Obviously, he's doxed. You can see his face. They're active. They're constantly upgrading and updating their websites and white paper. They're literally advocating for dynamic white paper because they're always going to be continuous improvement, continuous feedback from people like us, the investors. and AMAs, it really helps, right? It really does give you confidence into the project, at least for me. So the fund strategy, the Quantitative Forex PAMM Fund is managed automatic forex trading system that is powered by the Seletti A.i. The Seletti A.i continuously analyzes financial data, including historical price movements, market news, technical indicators, and more. It uses this analysis to make data-driven decisions about future market trends and potential trading opportunities. Based on its analysis, the Seletti A.i generates trading signals and strategies. These strategies include buy-sell executions, risk management parameters, and position sizing calculations. Really great stuff, honestly. You know what I mean? That sounds pretty legit to me. So, guys, without further ado, right, I'm going to be investing. And I believe, by the way, with the PAMM Invest, you have to have an investment of a minimum $500. So you can see on the right there, small text. I'm going to be investing my full 1,000. You know what I mean? And I think, honestly, roughly with that, if it is averaging just above, right, it's been averaging 1.1% daily ROI. That's basically $11 per day, ladies and gentlemen, right? That's another roughly, you know, $330 per month, and then add that with the other one, 200. Now I'm kind of making $500 a month. You know what I mean? That's the power of passive income. That's the power of DeFi. This can only be possible in crypto, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I really like it, honestly. Yeah, so let's click on deposit. Let's see if it works, and then let's claim my $100 that I've been making in my other opportunistic fund. So yeah, USDT, there you go, give it 1,000. This is on the BNB, by the way, so it's using the USDT of the BRC20, which honestly is way better than Ethereum because you're going to save way more money on, you know, this, as you guys can see, it's just 12 cents. So honestly, probably $10 is enough for the next half a year worth of transactions, really. So yeah, I think... Let us see. And honestly, by the way, the TVL is over 1,000. So actually, that's a huge milestone. So really congrats to them. But let's see what... Oh, I think it did update. So I'm going to quickly refresh. And yeah, you can kind of see, I guess that's me. That's my bump. Oh, whoa. Value staked is 124. So I think a lot of people have been 158 users. I think that did go up this day. That's pretty interesting. So that's the thing, guys, with it being 2024, a lot of people gonna be having their eyes on crypto, because when they look at inflation and stuff like that, where are they gonna look over, right? Those their saving bank accounts, IRAs, whatever you call them, they're not good enough. Okay, so they're gonna look at stuff like this. Yes, this is DeFi, this is risky, but hey, it's a start. Adoption will happen slowly. There are gonna be more systems that are gonna gain more confidence, and people are gonna like it, right? So it's a really great time to be in crypto. That's all I'm going to try to say. So anyways, when I go home now, balance is 2,000. So that's true. That is correct. And I guess I'm just going to try to withdraw my $106 that I've accumulated from the other investment. So I'm going to click on withdraw. And let us see, ladies and gentlemen, if it works. Remember, I only have right now 24 cents in USDT. I'm going to quickly... And there you go. Claim rewards completed. Hold on. Is it gonna load quicker? Oh, what's this? Another transaction. Claim referral rewards completed. And now if I quickly go, $92. Oh, that was quicker than even me opening MetaMask. It was right there and then. Yeah, no, that's great stuff. I'm really happy with that. And obviously that $106 and then it becomes 92. I'm assuming they take a little bit of a tax there. I'm not mad at it. This at the end of the day. Oh, there you go. It's $103 now. So I'm actually quite happy with that. So this is great stuff, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to leave the link to everything in the description. So you can either choose to join the PAMM investment, which gives you, you know, right now it's averaging 1.14% daily ROI. Okay. Doesn't mean that it's going to stay above there. Sometimes it can go below. Sometimes it can go above. There's a day right there where it was 1.6% daily ROI. That means basically my 1,000 would have made me $16 right there and then, which is pretty great actually. So yeah, keep that in mind. There's other, you know, slightly safer investments slightly. Okay, remember this is only DeFi at the end of the day. For example, the opportunistic fund you can see, or there's this one, the Seletti Growth Fund, which is a minimum of $50. So if you're a small kind of growing user in the DeFi space, or you got a $250 minimum investment, gives you 0.7% daily ROI, or you got 0.5 daily ROI. Okay, and I remember, so these are basically rough averages. Sometimes it goes slightly above, sometimes it goes slightly under. You know what I mean? But they've been very consistent so far with me, so I'm actually quite happy with that. So, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Seletti A.i. Go follow them on their Twitter. Go follow me on my Twitter. So, link in the description to both of those Twitter pages. And yeah, go read their white paper if you have any questions. Join their Telegram. Join my Telegram. Link in the description, the Farms community. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Obviously, I'm going to be making a video very soon on my investment right here with the PAMM Invest. So yeah, I'm actually pretty interested. There you go, deposited 1,000, and I'm looking forward to it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great New Year's, ladies and gentlemen, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.